Alex here, welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to talk about how barbering has changed in the last few years after the Brexit. You know, it will be a really interesting video for people that lives outside UK and for people that lives actually in UK already and then has the permission to stay. You know, because we can start to speculate how it will change barbering in the next few years, you know, based on countries that operate in the same way, like America, you know, US and Australia, Canada. So let's get into the video. So I want to go straight forward. So if you're a person that lives outside UK and don't have any kind of permission to get into UK, visa or anything like that, it's impossible to be a barber. And the reason why is because barbering is not considered a skilled job. It's really complicated because, you know, of course it's a skilled job, but it's not. And then I think it's based on regulation because barbering has no regulation in UK right now. For now, maybe it will change in the next few years, which is probably will open the door for people to be a barber here. And then as a skilled job is considered people like managers, you know, top level chef or anything like that. You know, it's really complicated in any jobs right now to get into, you know, to get in UK. You know, they want just UK people for work to, you know, to get a job now. I understand that, but you know, there's so much job in UK that I don't think every UK person can cover it. But you know, that's what I think. But whatever. It's not this is the video, so it became close to impossible, unfortunately, you know. And you know, it's probably a better option out there, you know. If you are a person who lives in Europe, try to get into Canada. Canada is much easier to get if you are a barber, and then you will get definitely more money. Of course, it's a bit far than the UK if you live in Europe, but definitely will give you a really good experience. You know, it's Canada, it's cool, you know, and the money are better. So probably that's one could be a better option. Or Australia as well, they let you in. They're much easier to get because they have some sort of visa, like then they last for 2 years, you know. And then if the people like you, they give you the sponsorship, which is for now in UK you don't have any option to get into barbering. They don't give you as well like a 2 years option, a year option, a 6 month option. They give you any sort of visa to at least try to get a job in UK. Unfortunately, for people that lives inside UK already, then they are barbers. How can change barbering? Based on this, barbering had this kind of hard times, you know, and then it's already a few years that it's going, but it's really hard for barbershop to find barbers because it's a job that not many people want to do. A lot of people, you know, get bored to do it because in the beginning is not much money, and then in the long run maybe you start get some, and then it's really hard job. You know, it's long hours. You know, people want to work, they don't want to work in the weekend, so it's a job that you work in the weekend, you work in Christmas, you work all the time. So it's a job that not many people want to do, and then it's people that maybe have health condition and they can't do it anymore. It is people then, you know, they want to change career. So you know, if you bring all these factors together, it's not many barbers, but it's a lot of barbershop out there. So what's happening now, because of this, you know, will make even worse because, you know, at least before was people from Europe, then they probably, you know, people that they were making, you know, €1,000, you know, people that live, you know, like in East Europe, you know, will make not much. People that live like me, Italy, you know, Spain, Germany, you know, they won't make that much, and they coming over in UK, then the money as a barber is better, which is for me was different. I didn't came here for money, you know. I came here because my dream was to get in, you know, become the best hairdresser at the time in UK, you know. So I was 12 years old and have this kind of mindset, you know, I want to go to London, I want to go to New York. So that's happening, but whatever, this is for another video, you know. I will tell you my story one day. But so this one was a really good option for barbers because, you know, for barbershop, because you say, oh, there's people from Spain, people from Germany, people from Russia, people from everywhere coming over here. You know, Russia was different because they have a visa as well, but at least they have the chance to get here. You know, people from everywhere, Ukraine, and you know, and this one is all the people that I met during these years, you know, the nationality. Now it's impossible. So what's going to happen? This is what I think. because it is a lot of market for barbers, but it's not enough barbers. By the how the market works, the value of barbers will increase. So probably the price of barbers will go up, and even hopefully the salary will go up for barbers. So you probably will get paid more because it is not many barbers, and then of course the barber shop, they will try to keep all the barbers that they have in the salon, because if they lose them, most likely they're going to lose a lot of the client, and most likely they won't find any more barbers to cover that spot. So will be probably good or probably bad on the other way, because maybe nobody said, oh, fuck this job, I don't want to be a barber anymore, or will be just a lot of independent barbers, so it will be a really hard business, really hard to scale. It can't be changed anymore, you can't do much about it in UK anymore, unfortunately. It will be just independent barber with 1-2 chairs, and that's it, because you have no no leverage, because you have no people then they can work. So would be just that kind of place where in the long run will probably disappear or something like that in UK. And then it would be that little spot with 3-4 barbers, really good, they're forever, and then will get the majority of the market. So probably this one could be another option. They could get just independent barbers with 2, 3, 4 chairs, same barbers every time. You can't leverage the business anymore that much. Small companies, which is really good. But of course you will not see many big barbershop, because there's not many barbers to leverage. Okay, so I hope this video will be it's been interesting for you, and then you will get some sort of information that can help you out to get the best choice for you. Thanks for watching. For barbering one-to-one, if you want to learn how to be a barber, get on Instagram, on WhatsApp. If you're a person that needs a haircut in Manchester or around Manchester or even outside Manchester, but DM me on Instagram or WhatsApp as well. And then if you have a hair salon and you're struggling, or in a hair salon and you want to get to the next level, just Instagram or WhatsApp again. Okay, see you there. Bye.